Hello dear students, my today's topic is water soluble vitamins. I am Dr. B.N. Maji, Assistant Professor, Department of Biochemistry, Bardhaman Medical College. Water soluble vitamins include vitamins of B complex group and vitamin C. B complex group vitamins include the following: thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, pantothenic acid, pyridoxine, folic acid, biotin, cobalamin or vitamin B12. B complex vitamins are grouped together because often they are found together in the same food with the exception of vitamin B12. Some common properties of water soluble vitamins are: they are readily absorbed from intestine and excreted in urine. They are not stored like fat soluble vitamins, and so they do not cause toxicity with the exception of vitamin B12, which is stored in our body. Their dietary intake is needed on a regular basis. Today I will discuss about vitamin B1 or thiamine, B2 or riboflavin, and niacin or vitamin B3. Thiamine is also called anti-neuritis factor or anti-beriberi factor. Chemistry or structure: thiamine is a complex made up of 2,5-dimethyl 6-aminopyrimidine joined to 4-methyl 5-hydroxyethyl thiazole by methylene linkage or bridge. Thiamine is a white crystalline water soluble substance. It is destroyed by moist and slow heating above 100 degree centigrade. This is the figure of thiamine. Active form of thiamine. Thiamine pyrophosphate is the active form which takes part in metabolic reactions as coenzymes. Dietary thiamine after absorption is converted to TPP by thiamine kinase in most tissues in our body using ATP. Now I am going to discuss about metabolic role of thiamine. Thiamine pyrophosphate acts as coenzyme for the following enzymes or reaction: pyruvate dehydrogenase enzyme acting on pyruvate, alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase acting on alpha ketoglutarate, trans-ketolase reaction of HMP shunt pathway, keto acid dehydrogenase reaction of branched chain amino acids. Next I am coming to deficiency manifestations. Deficiency symptoms of thiamine is known as beriberi. Beriberi means extreme weakness. I cannot, implying that the patient says no to even talking due to extreme weakness in severe cases of thiamine deficiency. This weakness occurs because the pyruvate and alpha ketoglutarate are not properly oxidized. Thiamine deficiency is often seen in alcoholics. In beriberi, initially there is anorexia, weakness, fatigue, etc. Subsequently, manifestations due to involvement of other organs occur, such as polyneuropathy of several peripheral nerves, leading to muscle pain, abnormal sensation, weakness, etc. Beriberi is of different types: dry beriberi and wet beriberi, infantile beriberi, etc. Wet beriberi is associated with edema due to congestive heart failure. Dry beriberi has no edema due to absence of associated congestive heart failure, but other symptoms of neuropathy and weakness are present. Infantile beriberi: this type of beriberi is found in newborn babies due to deficiency of thiamine in mother. There are features of heart failure like dyspnea, edema and restlessness. Wernicke's encephalopathy. This is the severe form of beriberi with the involvement of CNS or central nervous system. It is characterized by ataxia or loss of balance, muscular paralysis, psychiatric symptoms including Korsakoff psychosis, etc. Detection of thiamine deficiency. Thiamine deficiency is detected by following test. A dose of 0.35 mg per square meter of body surface is given intramuscularly and urinary excretion of thiamine is measured over the next 4 hours. At least 50 microgram of thiamine should be excreted in urine. In thiamine deficiency, this is significantly decreased. RBC transketolase activity measurement. RBCs are incubated with ribose 5-phosphate along with thiamine pyrophosphate and without thiamine pyrophosphate. Residual ribose is determined to measure the transketolase activity. Difference of more than 25% between the two is indicative of thiamine deficiency. Daily requirement of thiamine. Recommended daily allowance of thiamine is 1 to 1.5 mg per day. Additional requirement during pregnancy 0.3 mg per day. Main dietary source: whole grain cereals like wheat, rice, etc., fresh foods, green leafy vegetables, yeast, milk, meat, etc. Next I am going to discuss riboflavin or vitamin B2. Riboflavin containing proteins are called flavoproteins. Lactoflavin of milk, ovoflavin of egg and hepatoflavin of liver are chemically same as riboflavin. Chemistry or structure of riboflavin. Riboflavin is 6,7 dimethyl isoalloxygen or flavin bound to ribitol, which is the alcohol of ribose. The intense yellow color of thiamine is due to isoalloxygen ring. Look at the figure of riboflavin, FMN and FAD. Active form of riboflavin: FMN flavin mononucleotide and FAD flavin adenine dinucleotide are the active form or coenzyme forms of riboflavin. FMN is formed by phosphorylation of riboflavin by kinase using ATP in intestine. Riboflavin phosphate is called flavin mononucleotide because it contains a nitrogenous base isoalloxygen derivative flavin. When FMN is linked to AMP, it is called FAD. See the synthesis of FMN and FAD in the above picture. Now, metabolic role of riboflavin. FMN or FAD are present as phosphatic group in many oxidoreductase enzymes and they act as coenzymes. These enzymes participate in reversible oxidation reduction reactions. Here are some examples of FMN dependent enzymes. L-amino acid oxidases. They catalyze the oxidative deamination of amino acid producing hydrogen peroxide, which is split by catalase enzyme. NADH dehydrogenase complex. This enzyme is part of electron transport chain and contains FMN as phosphatic group. The electrons are transferred from NADH to FMN and then to coenzyme Q in electron transport chain. Here are some examples of FAD dependent enzymes such as succinate dehydrogenase. Succinate is oxidized to fumarate by succinate dehydrogenase. Acyl CoA dehydrogenase, fatty acyl CoA is oxidized to beta alpha beta unsaturated acyl CoA. Absorption, transport and storage of riboflavin. Riboflavin from flavoprotein is released in intestinal lumen during digestion and it is absorbed in free state. In the mucosal cells, it is phosphorylated to riboflavin or FMN by kinase. In liver, it is converted to FAD by addition of AMP unit from ATP. Daily requirement and sources of riboflavin. Recommended daily requirement is 1 to 1.5 milligram per day. In pregnancy and lactation, there is additional requirement 0.2 to 0.4 milligram per day is needed. Sources are whole grains, germinating cereals, yeast, etc. Deficiency manifestations of riboflavin. Riboflavin deficiency is quite uncommon because it is easily met by intestinal bacterial flora. The deficiency symptoms are cheilosis, that is reddening of lips, angular stomatitis, reddening and fissures at the angle of the mouth, glossitis, reddening of tongue, typically described as magenta colored tongue, seborrheic dermatitis, rough, dry and scaly skin, peripheral neuropathy, tingling sensation, numbness sensation and needle prick sensation in all limbs. Next vitamin is niacin or vitamin B3. Niacin is also called anti-pellagra factor of Goldberg. Niacin is synonymous with nicotinic acid, but it is different from nicotine, which is an alkaloid found in tobacco. Chemistry of niacin. Nicotinic acid is pyridine 3-carboxylic acid. It also occurs as nicotinamide. Now see the figure. Coenzyme or active form of niacin. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide or NAD plus and nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate or NADP plus are the active forms of niacin. Metabolic role of niacin. NAD plus and NADP plus both participate as coenzymes in dehydrogenation reaction, that is oxidoreduction. NADH linked enzymes participate in catabolic reaction such as glycolysis, TCA cycle and beta oxidation. And NADPH linked enzymes participate in anabolic or synthetic reactions such as fatty acid synthesis and cholesterol synthesis. Here are some examples of NAD dependent enzymes and NADP dependent enzymes. NAD dependent enzymes are glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase, pyruvate dehydrogenase, alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. NADP dependent enzymes include glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase, 6-phosphate gluconate dehydrogenase, malic enzyme. And NADPH dependent reactions are beta keto acyl CoA dehydrogenase in fatty acid synthesis, alpha beta unsaturated acyl CoA dehydrogenase in fatty acid synthesis, HMG CoA reductase in cholesterol synthesis, dihydrofolate reductase for synthesis of tetrahydrofolate from folic acid, and phenylalanine hydroxylase for conversion of phenylalanine to tyrosine. Now I will discuss about the mechanism of oxidoreduction by NAD plus or NADP plus. Two hydrogen atoms are transferred from substrate to NAD plus or NADP plus. One hydrogen atom is transferred as a hydride ion to pyridine ring, whose positive charge is neutralized. The other proton goes free in the medium. So only one hydrogen atom is attached to the pyridine ring. This is why reduced NAD plus is always written as NADH plus hydrogen ion. NAD plus and NADP plus dependent enzymes. Note that glutamate dehydrogenase enzyme is unique because it can use both NAD plus and NADP plus as a coenzyme. This is the only enzyme which uses both as coenzyme. Now I will tell about NAD dependent ADP ribosylation. ADP ribosylation means ribose attached to ADP. NAD is source of ADP ribose in the process of ADP ribosylation. ADP ribose is required in DNA repair mechanism. Single or multiple ADP ribose units are attached to nucleoproteins which are involved in DNA repair mechanism. ADP ribosylation is also required for the mechanism of cholera toxin. Niacin deficiency manifestations. A typical niacin deficiency leads to pellagra. Typical symptoms of pellagra are referred to as 3Ds, that is diarrhea, dermatitis and dementia. Dermatitis presents as dry erythematous and scaly skin. Diarrhea seen in chronic conditions. It may be associated with mucus and blood in stool. Dementia is also found in long-standing cases. Delirium may be seen in acute stage. Inability to concentrate and poor memory or loss of memory may be seen in delirium. Causes of deficiency. Isolated niacin deficiency is rare. It is commonly associated with other B complex group vitamin deficiencies. In human body, niacin is produced from tryptophan and it requires vitamin B6 as coenzyme. Hence, deficiency of tryptophan and vitamin B6 can aggravate pellagra symptoms. Pellagra is associated with Hartnup disease and carcinoid syndrome. In Hartnup disease, there occurs defective intestinal absorption of tryptophan. So it causes pellagra because niacin is not synthesized from tryptophan. In carcinoid syndrome, carcinoid is a tumor of argentapin cells which use tryptophan excessively to synthesize serotonin. Hence, carcinoid syndrome is associated with niacin deficiency. Dietary sources and daily requirement. Dry dish, unpolished rice, peanut, whole cereals, legumes, meat, fish, liver, etc. are good sources of niacin. Adults require 20 mg per day. Pregnancy and lactation require a higher dose of 25 mg per day. Therapeutic uses of niacin. Pellagra, high dose 100 to 200 mg are given daily 3 times a day for 1 week. Hypercholesterolemia, high dose of nicotinic acid 3 gram per day reduces high blood cholesterol level, but because of unpleasant side effects, it is not used commonly. Thank you.